Welcome! If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by constant notifications from Instagram broadcast channel replies, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to turn off those notifications so you can enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience. This guide is fully updated for the latest version of the app, so let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu or the hamburger icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can control all your account preferences and privacy options. Scroll down until you see the Notifications option and tap on it. This is where you can customize exactly which notifications you want to receive from Instagram. Next, tap on Messages. This area manages all the notification settings related to your direct messages, including those from broadcast channels. Scroll until you find the option labeled Broadcast Channel Replies. This is the setting that controls whether you get notified every time someone replies in a broadcast channel you follow. To turn off these notifications, simply tap on Broadcast Channel Replies and select Off. That's it. You've now disabled notifications for broadcast channel replies, meaning you'll no longer get alerts every time someone posts a reply in those channels. Taking control of your notifications can make your Instagram experience so much more enjoyable and less distracting. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to these settings and turn the notifications back on. Thanks for watching.